Good morning dear students. I am teaching chapter 15 light. Today we will discuss about differences between a convex lens and a concave lens. Convex lens is thicker in the middle and tapering at the edges, and concave lens it is thicker at the edges and tapering in the middle. This is the convex lens. This is the convex lens. It is the thicker in the middle and tapering at the edges, and concave lens it is thicker at the edges and tapering in the middle. And second one, when it is held close together, when held close to the object, it forms a virtual, erect and magnified image, and when it is held close to the object, it forms a virtual, erect and diminished image. And convex lens, when it is held away from the object, it forms a real inverted image, and the image may be magnified or diminished depending upon the distance of the object from the lens. And when held away from the object, it forms a virtual, erect and diminished image for all positions of the object. Now you know that white light is composed of 7 colors. Just after the rain, sometimes just after the rain, you can see in the sky the sun comes out, a rainbow is formed in the sky, and the position of the rainbow in the sky is just opposite to the position of the sun. And if the sun towards the west, the rainbow is formed towards the east. People thought rainbow is the signature of rain god, that is the Indra. In India, rainbow is called the Indra Dhanush. And the rainbow consists of 7 colors, that is the Vibgyor. It is written Vibgyor. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. And in the rainbow, the red color appears on the upper arc and the violet colors on the lower arc. Sir Isaac Newton thought that rainbow is not the signature of God. Sir Isaac Newton, he was a scientist, and he thought that this rainbow is not the signature of God, but is formed when the white light coming from the sun, it splits into 7 colors on passing through teeny droplets of water suspended in the atmosphere, and he called this phenomena dispersion of light. He thought that it is not the this is a not signature of the God. It is when white light is coming from the sun, then it splits into different colors, and when it passing through the teeny droplets of water suspended in the atmosphere, then this phenomena is called the dispersion of light. In order to prove his point, he constructed a color disc on which were painted 7 colors and of light in 7 sectors, and when this disc was rotated rapidly, it was found that all the color disappeared and it appeared white. And however, when the rotation stopped, colors reappeared. Newton explained that when these 7 colors reflected from the rapidly rotating disc entered the eye, they mixed up to the form white light, and following activities will prove the point. In this activity it is given that how you will prove that 7 colors combine to form the white light. What are the materials required for the activity? Materials required: circular disc cut from a stiff cardboard, painted with 7 colors, white light, a strong thread and a sharp nail. When you have to take one disc and you can divide it into the 7 sectors, and then 7 sectors you can color with violet, red, green, yellow, pink, like that 7 colors, and take a disc on which are painted 7 colors of the white light in 7 sectors in order of violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. That is the whip cure. And make 2 holes in the disc with a sharp nail as shown in the diagram, and pass a long thread from the one hole and then pass through the other hole. When such that about 30 centimeter of thread is on the either side of the holes, and when you tie a small knot at the ends of thread, place one end thread of the middle finger of the left hand and other end in the middle finger of the right hand, and loose the hands and whirl the disc in clockwise direction so that thread on either side is twinned. And now stretch the hand and the thread will unwind and rotate the disc rapidly and anti-clockwise direction. Then you will notice that 7 colors painted on the disc disappear and it appears white. This activity clearly proves that white light is composed of 7 colors. When you have to put your hand like this and make disc here, in between make 2 holes, and when you have to loosen the thread, then and when you have to stretch the thread, then it will rotate, and when it will rotate, then you can see that it looks like the white color, and when it will stop, it is just you can see the 7 colors how it is divided. So by this activity it is proved that 7 colors combine to form the white light. So till here you will take revision, and tomorrow I will discuss next activity 15.12, and name of the next activity is to show a prism splits white light into 7 colors. So till here you will take revision.